Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious broth. To begin, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality items. Roasting your bones and vegetables beforehand adds a rich, deep flavor that makes all the difference. Then, prepare to simmer everything gently for several hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This slow process extracts maximum goodness, creating a truly satisfying base for many dishes. It's a simple step that elevates your cooking significantly. For a robust broth, select a variety of bones, such as chicken carcasses or beef marrow bones, for their collagen and flavor. Combine these with aromatic vegetables like roughly chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Don't forget to add a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and perhaps some fresh parsley stems for an extra layer of complexity. These simple additions are crucial for building a flavorful foundation. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them completely with cold water. As the broth slowly comes to a simmer, you'll notice foam rising to the surface. Skim this off regularly during the first hour to ensure a clear broth. Maintain a very gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, for at least 4 to 6 hours. Finally, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids, to achieve a beautifully clear liquid. After straining, it's important to cool your broth quickly to prevent bacterial growth. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath. Once cooled, transfer the broth to airtight containers and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer preservation. This delicious homemade broth is perfect for soups, sauces, or simply sipping on its own. And speaking of enhancing your home, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.